Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you all a bunch of things I ordered off from Amazon. So I don't have like so many products, it's gonna be mini and small haul. So I ordered around 5 products from Amazon, and I also have 2 products which I ordered from H&M. So if you're interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. So let's start with the blush I got from Sugar. Like, I ordered this from Amazon, but it's actually from Sugar. So I really wanted to try their blush for the longest time possible, but I couldn't really find my shade. Like, I wanted this peach peak shade which they have in their mini blush collection, but it's been out of stock forever. Like, it's not in stock. I think it came in stock the moment I ordered this one. So yeah, I just went ahead and ordered the Contour de Force mini blush in the shade 05 Coral Climax, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's classic and cardboard packaging like their other products. So this is the outer packaging. Like, this was the outer packaging, and this is how the actual product looks like. Now I'm not too much happy with the shade, but that's like my fault. Like, I was so desperate to try Sugar's blush that I just couldn't wait for the right shade to come in stock. So I went ahead and purchased this one. I hope you guys can see this. So this is how this blush looks like. This is very bright, but actually I'm wearing this right now on my cheeks, so it's okay. Like, I can totally work with this, but I would have been happy if I would have got this peach peak in the instead of this Coral Climax. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys because I get a lot of requests that why don't you swatch your products in your videos. So I'm gonna swatch this, and this is definitely a good tone for like darker Indian skin tone. Even the fair buddies can use this, but yeah, this is the swatch, and I feel like this can be used as eyeshadow too. Like, the color is so pigmented, and I totally can use this on my eyelids instead of my cheeks. But we're gonna see how we're gonna work with this. I'm wearing this today, if you guys can see this. So yeah, this is the swatch of the blush I got from Sugar. Now this one retails for, like, there was no discount whatsoever. I got this for 349 rupees, which is pretty decent. Like, it's not too much and it's very affordable. Sugar's products are always very affordable. So yeah, this is the first product I got from Amazon. Now the next product I got is this, which came in this box, and it's actually a zipper mug. This is how this cup looks like. Now the best part about this cup is it's actually eco-friendly, and it's made out of wheat fiber, so you're not doing any damage to your environment. So this comes with the silicone opening and silicone lid to it, and it also has this opening from where you can actually sip your coffee and sip your tea or whatever. I really wanted to try this, and I really wanted to have this because it's very, cute to have, and you can use this for your Instagram pictures or whatever. So yeah, we generally get this in cafes, but I think nowadays people are using this at home also. So yeah, I really wanted to get my hands on this. Now this one retails for, it's Mojo Life eco-friendly spill-proof wheat fiber zipper mug, and this one retails for 229. I will definitely put all the links in the description box below, so please don't forget to check that out and explore more products if you like those. So this is the second product I got from Amazon. Now the third product, and which is my first time buying something from Miniso, and I'm very happy that Miniso is available on Amazon because it's never gonna come here in Kutch anytime soon, at least. So I'm really crazy about Miniso hauls. Like, I watch them all the time on YouTube, and finally I ordered something for myself also. So this is the next product I got from Amazon, which is Miniso U-shaped ball massager, which can be used on your face, on your neck, and on your legs as well. So this is how it looks like. It says it's 3D V Platinum roller. So the actual product comes in the packing like this, which is very convenient, and you can store this like this always. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. I actually I saw this in Mansi's haul and she really liked it. Like she got this as free gift and she really liked it. So I thought I should also try this because you can use this on your face for the massage, or even on your hand, on your neck, or wherever you feel any kind of pain, or you just want to have a relaxed time, so you can use this. It's very like good quality. It's made really good and with very good quality material. The holder anyhow is like, it seems very plasticky, but the rollers are very good quality. It's definitely something you should try if you really enjoy some spa session at home, or just want to massage your body or something like that. It is good quality. It's really useful. So yeah, that's the next and my first product which I got from Miniso. Now, for the first time in my life, I ordered something from Amazon and it's not what I actually ordered, and I received something different. Like it's completely different from what I ordered, so I'm very disappointed. So I'm talking about, I'm gonna put up the picture like what I actually ordered, and this is what I actually ordered from Amazon. This is the Miniso beauty sponge, like Miniso makeup beauty sponge, and it was for 200 rupees, and this is what I have received. Like I don't know, I have never experienced such malfunction from Amazon, never. Like I keep ordering a lot of stuff from Amazon, but this never happened. I don't know why this time. And the sad part that it's non-returnable items, I can't even return this. And I did post my feedback on this product, but they didn't upload this on their site for whatever reason, I don't know. So this is what I actually ordered instead of Miniso beauty blender. This is from some local brand, I believe. It says Beifa Fashion and Professional High Quality Beauty Sponge. I'm not disappointed by its quality. Like it is pretty soft. I don't know how it's gonna work on my face and if it's gonna absorb any product or not, but it's quite soft. Like I finally have a beauty blender which is very soft, and I'm also gonna insert the video when I damp this in water, and it actually expands to your complete, like this whole part it covers. So it is of good quality, but I am not sure if it's gonna work well on my face. So yeah, this happened. So this was the last thing I ordered from Amazon. Now comes the product which I got from H&M so I got this when there was their sale going on in their application. So I'm gonna show you what I got. I actually got two same top in the different color because yeah, I'm crazy like that. I love basic tops and I love such things to wear on regular basis. So this is what I got. This is called H&M puff sleeve jersey top, and this one was for 489 rupees. I am in this size medium. So this is how it looks like. The color is so good, like it's very good, and the material is so soft. It's from H&M Basics. So yeah, this is my first time ordering from H&M. Okay, this was my first time ordering from Miniso, and this one is my first time ordering from H&M. So this is how it looks. This originally is for 699 rupees. If you guys can see, it's from H&M and it's for 699 rupees, but I got this for like 489 because there was some sale going on. So I ordered the same piece in different color, and I got this black because you can never go wrong with black color. So this is how the other top looked like. Now the thing is, I got this in medium size and this one is actually large because medium was out of stock. So I just thought it's even gonna look fine if you wear some loose fitting tops. So this is the final thing in this haul. Yeah, we finished all the product. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like watching my content, then please do not forget to like this video, please, and subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends and family. I'm very close to reach 800 subscribers, so please help me reach 800 and then we'll step forward and make more videos in future. So yeah, thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.